I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold.
Ooh-wee. Man, things is tinging, right? Can y'all believe these are diamond cuts, man? These are sunburst cuts. These are hands down our most popular cuts of this year for sure. Do you see the way them things is hitting, man? My dude had come in with his dad, man, and I told him, man, did I not tell you, Jay, that I was going at you right? Very respectful young man. I appreciate you, family, man, for coming in. Now he's talking about buying a chain. This is how you treat people, man. It's all about how you treat people, man. I appreciate everybody for tapping in, man. This thing is craziness, y'all. Absolute bonkers. So ever since I posted these things, I've probably got about 10 orders on these things, man, because everybody likes these sunburst cuts. Bro, them things is hidden. These things are shining almost as much as diamonds, I would say. That's why they're called diamond cuts. Beautiful. Beautiful, y'all. Insane work right here. Appreciate everybody for tapping in and supporting the channel, man. It's going up, 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 and away. Still got a few disgruntled people up in the Washington area, but we're going to work through that, man. We're going to get over this, y'all. We're going to get through this, and we're going to get this name back up there, man. We still doing good, man, but, you know, you got some, you know how it is locally. But, yeah, man, this is him, Sunburst Cuts. Shout out to my dude, Mr. Walker, man. Thank you for supporting, man. Told you and your pops, I got you. I got you, Brody. So, man, I hope you have a blessed week, man, and I hope this makes you proud. I hope I came through. 8 top, 6 bottom, sunburst cuts. Outstanding. Thank you guys for tapping in. And these are with the full sunburst cuts, covering up the whole tooth. This is exactly what he wanted. You guys will see a lot more of these because ever since I put this thing out, man, everybody been on them, man. I ain't gonna lie. But y'all be easy, man. Stay positive. Stay blessed, y'all. Appreciate everybody. Have a blessed week. Peace out.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold Grills, tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole